Hello students, welcome to online classes presented by Syamla, Department of Commerce and Management. Today we will discussing about social media and e-marketing. Before going to our introduction classes, we will discuss about syllabus. In this syllabus, we will discussing in 5 units. First unit is social media. Careers in social media marketing, strategic marketing, social media planning process, campaigns, tracks and results. And coming to second unit, social consumers, social media marketing segments, digital consumers, digital communities, online communities, strong and weak ties, social community, social publishing. Coming to third unit, social media sites. We already know about these all sites: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and their operating, data mining and social media. Role of social media in marketing research, social media and privacy ethics. These all are covered in third unit. And coming to fourth unit, e-marketing. Objectives of e-marketing: online advertising, distribution in e-marketing, lead generation platform, consumer service mechanism, relationship building medium. And this all are comes in fourth unit. Coming to fifth unit, methods of e-commerce: advertising techniques, selling methods, sales promotions, public relations, sponsorship, and sales promotions, public relations, sponsorship, merchandising, and teleconferencing and chatting. These all are covered in this syllabus. So let's we start introduction. Today we go to discussing about one of the hot topic, social media and e-marketing. But before we get any further in this section, let's look at the agenda. So first, I start talking about the what is exactly a social media marketing, followed by which we take up the major pillars in social media marketing, and moving which different tools available in market which are mainly focused on social media marketing. And then we'll discussing social marketing tips and which platform you should choose in order to gain more traffic and engagement by social media marketing. So these are the topics that we'll be discussing. So what according to you is social media marketing? There are in nearly 3 billion actors social media marketing across the globe, and this constitute up to 40% of the entire world population, and around 90% of social media users across the globe access social media networks through mobiles. Also, this factor is way faster in terms of reaching your customers irrespective of the location status. It mainly refers to the process of 15 in more traffic through social media sites. So this is the a major agenda of using social media, guys. It is vast field. By you can find evergreen job opportunities for freshers as well as experienced professions. Some major social media platforms include Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, so on. So now it you guys got if clear idea about what is social media marketing. Let's understand its benefits, how exactly social media is going to benefit you or your business. Let's have a look. Social media can help you in a lot of ways. It help you increase in your website traffic, and also helps you rising your brands, and also help you increasing your brand identity, and also help you providing your community communication with customers, our prospects. So this is exactly how social media is helping you and delivering your content your customers in our prospects. So moving on, let's understand what keeps social media intact and so much more life. So let's understand. So we already discussing five pillars of social media marketing. So let's see what they are. There are five pillars like they are mentioned which help in keeping social media marketing. Five major pillars social media marketings are strategy, planning, engagement, analytic, and advertising. These five are pillars of social media marketing. Let's understand how they help social media marketing. First, we discuss about the strategy. So, this phase as considered as major part that derives the growth of your company. It lets you analyze, set relevant goals, and also help you planning in your business. The more effective your strategy is, more ignore chances to an unsuccessful. So talking about in this strategy, encompasses everything related to planning, setting goals, how to desire goals, analyzing how to engage with your audience, and so on. And also other major features I would say about strategying your social media campaign would be lets you know what kind of conversation you should have with what kind of intellectual person, or this is exactly strategy helps in social media marketing. So coming to planning, now talking about planning, a large part of your success in your business, it depends you how well you plan in social media marketing campaigns. Also before you start posting on social media, you need to have a amazing plan, guys. Research about on your current marketing trends and define your target or ends, and identify which social platform is suitable for your business. In order to create a good plan, having a objective is more likely to help with that as long as you stick your plan on work you are providing providing with you will save fine, guys. Now moving to the next important pillar of social media marketing, we have the engagement factor. As your business rolls their reach also eventual increase, you will have a lot of things to take care, starting with maintaining a good social profile to interacting with customers on any of the social media platform. You will be on the edge of the marketing campaigns, so having a good engagement ratio is going to help you with that. Now you best part is you can track a engagement ratio by using engagement tools like Buffer, Slack, and so on. It aggregate all your social media mentions, also the post that did not tag your business social media profile, including a few messages. Now discussing about engagement, now talking about analytic. Social media is very vast platform. You can promote any of your product and analyze its rules can given you enough kickstart your business growth. So analyze your leads from social media tracking them and converting it them is very important. You can make of these few analytic tools like Google Analytic and many more, which help you analyze your website performances on the SERPs. Let's talking about fifth and more important pillar of social media marketing. We have the advertising factors. Have you on the scene some ads which pop up every no then the ads in seen your videos? These are nothing but the advertising sector. Up to for promotions, social media is so powerful. Who can manage the status of who can view your advertisement? You can always make use of platform like Google ads, LinkedIn ads, and Instagram ads. so on. So this is exactly how you can promote your product by pushing it. So advertising is one of the major factor or the major reason um, for you to even create content your first place. As long as you promote your content or promote your work little bit useful for you as well as for customers. So whoever it is receive on the end. So these were the five major pillars of social media marketing. Now moving the social media marketing tools which are used. So in this video I wanna go to be talking about only two major tools in social media marketing. So let's understand them. Firstly, we will talking about Buffer. Buffer is a software application which is mainly designed for web and mobile. It can manage the social accounts by helping you schedule posts on Facebook, Instagram, and also be best of it and analyze your research and provide means to communicate and engage with your customers. This is an extensions and also browser extension is one of the latest productive hacks. I try to listen up to notable features of this. So let's we have look. It is easy to share your post faster using the Buffers browser extension. It is free of cost, guys. It is share your tweets at the right time. You get any tweets or retweets, you can just tweet back or you can just retweet as the right time. And also it is easy to track top performing content connect. Like say digital marketing is an example of this. If you gonna to be digital marketing, you want to top performing content. So this tool help you inside about the top performing content. And also you can easily customize scheduling in each platform. And next one, you can also make as of the promo extension to add articles and contents from web to your buffer or share the content. So these all are the features of buffer. Now moving to the next tool is Hotsuite. Hotsuite is one among the most widely used social media marketing platforms, and it was created by Ran Holmes in 2008. This social media platform lets you build smarter workflows across your organization and tell around triple ROI. This amonging tool allow you to collaborate with team members along with the major benefits of seeing your comments and mention that you are one place. You can also assign task plot on a social media calendar and your updates over there. So this was used to the major tool for social media marketing. Let's discussing about social media marketing tips. So few tips may to useful for social media market. So the first thing you should do is identify your market goals. Set a proper goal and try to work on it and create unique and specific strategy for each social media platform. If you are working on Facebook, you need to have different strategies. You need to be work Instagram, you need to be unique and always be consistent. As way we choose the right platform, that is right social media platform promotions. See see you need to how analyze your website. Once you know that getting traffic one of the marketing channel, you should focus on that. And if you not getting more traffic from one of the channel, you should trying to focus on different channels. you elaborate and try to more interact with your customers or good content. Also focus on your messaging part, because it has a greater impact on your website as well as your business also. Always be up to date with the latest technology trends. This is the must when you are working a social media platform. You need to be very updating made, mm, with the technology trends. Also how analyze your results and focus on part which needs more attention. So this is how any company rules. This is exactly how anybody comes in first position in the SRPC. So now how to analyze your results. These were few tips in my side, guys. Coming to the last part and final part of is uh, how to choose the best platform in social media marketing. So here are the few points considered before select any social media platform. Seek out your target audience. Focus on what is your our customers on looking for, and try to delivering accurate results. Also define a good set of goals and build a good business strategy. Always concentrate on what your customers want, and delivering good content require a lot of research. And also you should good at social media marketing, and also distributing content is a must. If you are working in a e-commerce site, you should know how to handle post. You should know how to analyze your results, and you should know how to crack them. So these are a few factors which you should consider that you are selecting any social media platform. So in this section, we already covered in agenda. I hope we all are you all are understand this. So next section we will discussing about career in social media marketing. Thank you, guys.